Welcome to the Let's Talk Texas Solar podcast series. I'm Sarah, your podcast host. Join us as we explore the growth of Texas solar, the latest tech in solar panels, and how Texans can stay ahead with the best solar buyback plans. Pour yourself a cup of coffee, kick back, and enjoy listening to our latest blog post and podcast episode. In this episode, we are going to be discussing Texas Solar Regulations Explained, how HB 362 supports solar rights. Navigating the complexities of Texas solar regulations, let us do the heavy lifting. If you're a Texas homeowner thinking about installing solar panels, you may have heard of Texas House Bill, HB 362, passed to protect homeowners' rights to harness solar energy. HB 362 limits how much homeowners associations, HOAs, can restrict solar panel installations. But navigating these regulations and understanding what it means for your home can be tricky, luckily. Texas Best Solar Buyback Plans is here to make it easier for you. What HB 362 means for Texas solar panel owners. In a nutshell, Texas HB 362 amends Section 202.010 of the Texas Property Code, stating that HOAs and property owner associations, POAs, can't restrict homeowners from installing solar panels, with a few exceptions. These exceptions include 1. Panels that violate public health or safety codes. 2. Devices installed on shared property within the subdivision. 3. Installations that extend above the roofline are not parallel to the roofline, or aren't mounted properly. 4. Solar panels mounted in ways that void warranties or aren't in approved colors like silver, bronze, or black. 5. Ground-mounted panels exceeding fence height. Let's chart this by restriction type and description. Restriction type: public health and safety. Description: HOAs can restrict panels that pose health or safety risks. Restriction type: common property. Description: panels can't be installed on HOA-owned common areas. Restriction type: installation standards. Description: panels must be parallel to the roofline and below roof height. Restriction type: approved colors only. Description: panels must be in silver, bronze, or black tones. Restriction type: warranty compliance. Description: installations must not void the product warranty. Restriction type: prior approval needed. Description: HOA approval is required before installation. How Texas Best Solar Buyback Plans can help you navigate HOA and POA rules. When you choose Texas Best Solar Buyback Plans, we take the guesswork out of these HOA regulations. We work with PowerMax Energy, a top energy provider in Texas since 2003, to ensure that homeowners can navigate the application process and receive approval for solar installations without unnecessary hurdles. Our partnership benefits you by providing in-depth knowledge about HB 362, offering straightforward guidance through the regulatory maze, and helping you secure your solar savings with ease. Additional solar regulations in Texas, Senate Bill SB 1626 and local government rules. Texas Senate Bill 1626 added another layer of support for solar energy. This bill limits developers from preventing solar panel installations but applies only to new developments with fewer than 50 units. In addition, the Texas Health and Safety Code Section 388.005(c) mandates local governments and entities in specific counties to reduce energy consumption by 5% annually for 7 years starting in 2019. If you live in an affected area, Texas Best Solar Buyback Plans can also provide insights on how solar energy can help you contribute to this energy reduction goal while cutting down on your monthly bills. The benefits of choosing Texas Best Solar Buyback Plans. Here at Texas Best Solar Buyback Plans, we know the importance of protecting your right to generate solar power and save money. Our expertise extends to all things solar, including guiding you through the complexities of HB 362. SB 1626, and various local codes. You'll gain peace of mind knowing that we keep track of the ever-evolving landscape of Texas solar laws so you don't have to. We coordinate with PowerMax Energy to provide you with personalized solar solutions tailored to your needs. We offer a comprehensive approach that includes navigating your HOA's architectural review requirements and even assisting you with local government regulations if needed. When you work with us, you're choosing the best path to maximize your savings and energy efficiency, all while staying compliant with Texas solar regulations. Why Texas Best Solar by Backplans is the smart choice. Navigating Texas solar regulations might feel daunting, but with Texas Best Solar by Backplans, it doesn't have to be. We're dedicated to making solar simple and accessible for Texas homeowners, taking the burden of regulations off your shoulders so you can focus on saving. Interested in learning more? Visit us at Texas Best Solar by Backplans or give us a call at 972-793-8341 to start your journey towards solar savings today. Big thanks to y'all for tuning in. Let's Talk Texas Solar was brought to you by PowerMax Energy, providing a powerful way to maximize your energy savings in the Texas deregulated electricity market. Join PowerMax Energy for the most competitive residential and commercial pricing. www.powermaxenergy.com and Texas Best Solar by Backplans for your solar buyback plan needs at www.texasbestsolarplans.com. Show notes and resources. Have questions for the show? Call 972-793-8341 weekdays, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, or visit us online. If you are looking to install a solar system for your home, call or visit us online. Are you on track with your solar plan? Get a free personalized evaluation. www.texasbestsolarbuybackplans.com. Happy trails, y'all, and keep soaking up that Texas sunshine.